So hi, let's begin. This video is all about exercises kind of thing and identification of mostly what is constant. So I have placed certain examples. So complete questions are not given, just the crucial info is provided. So don't be too argumentative about the conclusions. Just imagine this is a basic training exercise for the identification of constants. That's how I said in the above video that if you identify the constant, you can relate them with the proportionality and then obviously solve them orally. So let's begin. Today Pramod traveled 20% faster from home to office. So imagine this is home, this is office. So what's happening in these two scenarios? As you can imagine very well, that speed is changing, right? Today Pramod is traveling faster, yesterday or maybe every day he was traveling with certain speed. So what is constant? Obviously his distance from home to office is constant. Thus very simple, we got distance is constant, and then we can forward apply simultaneously whatever proportionality we have derived and thought about it. So as speed equals to distance upon time, right? So now let's see second one. Ram and Shyam started simultaneously from their homes toward each other to meet. If those who all have seen this question, maybe if they have solved TSD a little bit before coming to this website, must have imagined that yeah, I have seen this simultaneously meeting thing. So now again let's derive the what is constant. Ram and Shyam obviously meeting something. So these two scenarios are that of two individuals, right? Since they start simultaneously and they meet, both of them are traveling for the same time. The time zone is whatever is there, it's same. So that's why we got this time the time is constant, right? Now imagine, let's consider the third question. A Patliputra Express train takes 10 seconds to cross a pole and 15 seconds to cross a platform. Now what happens in this is generally in this entire post, if you are watching this video from our post section, maybe we'll not discuss so much of trains here. We have discussed earlier, they are in our separate post, but still let's discuss while seeing this scenario. And what is that? One thing is obvious. One is train crossing the pole and other is train crossing a platform. Here the speed of the train is going to be constant in both the way, and then it will be our immense help to think in the lines of these two scenarios. Obviously, why then? If I can identify using small exercises on your brain, you can obviously put proportionality concepts to solve TSD. As we have said, when speed is constant, D is directly proportional to T. When D is constant, S is inversely proportional to T. And as you know, S, D and T, what they mean: speed, distance and time. That's entire thing. So now let's begin our exercise with solving certain questions, and then we will discuss more thing. Before that, we will discuss about distance being constant, and then we can move on with the question solving, and then we can see lot of ways to solve the question. Okay, so let's begin.